In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla camera temporarily unavailable. So let's get started, okay? So first of all, I need you to guide yourself onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then select the car that you own. In this case, I'll be just choosing Model X for the sake of the video. So when I click on that, I'll go ahead to proceed to choose a language that I'm compatible with. In this case, I'll be just choosing English. And then from here, I'll see a bunch of options to the left, okay, here. So what I want you to do is to go to onto the overview dropdown and then click on cameras, okay? Once you click that, you'll find all of the cameras available on a Tesla model, or the one that you own, in this case, Model X, okay? And go ahead and have a good read at this, okay? So perhaps you're misdoing something, perhaps you're not operating something properly. So just go ahead and have a good read at this, all of the functionalities of the cameras. And if you could fix it, then that's great. But if it still doesn't fix it, I do have a couple more fixes to offer you, okay? So the first fix that I have for you is to inspect and clean the cameras, okay? So check for obstructions. Ensure that all cameras are free from dirt, debris, or condensation, as these can impede visibility. Another thing we could do is to cleaning procedure. So gently clean the camera lenses using a soft lint-free cloth for persistent condensation, or preconditioning the cabin and using the windshield defroster can help clear internal moisture. Another fix I have for you is to perform a soft reset. It's a very common thing. So the procedure you would follow is to press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for about like 15 seconds until the touch screen restarts. This action can resolve minor software glitches affecting camera functionality, okay? Another fix I have for you is to reformat or replace the dashcam USB drive. The potential issue that could be is that there's a malfunction dashcam USB drive can interfere with the autopilot computer, leading to camera errors. So to fix this, remove the USB drive and reform it using a computer. If issues persist, consider replacing it with a high quality USB drive. The next fix I have for you is to recalibrate the cameras. The procedure to do this would be to navigate to Controls, Service, Camera Calibration on the touchscreen and select Clear Calibration. Drive the vehicle to allow the camera to recalibrate. Another fix I have for you is to check for software updates, okay? So ensure your vehicle's software is up to date by navigating to Controls, Software, and installing any available updates. The next issue I have for you is to be aware of recent recalls, because Tesla has issued recalls related to camera functionality. For instance, a recall in January 2025 addressed to review camera malfunctions due to potential short circuits. And so check if your vehicle is affected by entering your VIN on Tesla's official recall page or contacting Tesla support. And lastly, schedule a service appointment. And to do this, or when you should do this, it is if the issue persists after attempting the above steps and it still does not do anything. Okay, so if the issue still persists, it's advisable to schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app or website to have a professional diagnose and address the problem. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.